Hi, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga videos. To this vlog, we have to learn about how to assemble the easy compressor assembly of the new model of the Montero Sports. Okay, this is a very easy how to assemble. If you are new to my channel, please like and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga videos. Let's go!
Hello to everyone, automotive tips and advice. This is a Autotips TV tutorial how to install and assemble easy compressor Montero Sports. This Montero Sport compressor is equivalent to one motorcycle price. So learn this and save money. To all operators, drivers, and want to learn how to improve, how to assemble the compressor, watch these tutorials. Okay, we will remove first the number 10 mm bolts from the clutch plate already loosened, and remove the clutch plate. And the clutch plate location is like this. That is the location of the clutch plate. And the second, we move out the clutch pulley. Compressor pulley. We have a lock spring need to remove, and I will show you where is the location of the lock spring by demonstrate in the new one compressor. I will remove now and I show you where is the location, and that side how we fix the lock spring. That's it. To hold the pulley not to come out while the engine is running. That is the lock spring. Make sure it will fix it properly because the engine is running. It's so dangerous to move it out. The pulley and the engine will be damaged. That is the back washer. I saw it. Okay, the next tips is we have to remove the clutch pulley using the rubber mallet. And the proper procedures, if you need to use the 3-in puller, but this one is looking smooth. A new compressor is easy to remove, so that's why we are using only the rubber mallet. The next procedures is we have to remove the clutch coil. The clutch coil lock. We have a lock washer, lock spring to hold it in the compressor. That is the location and of the lock spring to hold the clutch plate so it will not moving while the engine is running. Okay, finish the first one to remove the lock spring. Only 2 lock spring we need to remove. So now we're going to assemble the new one. This is the new clutch coil. New clutch coil. We have a guide, a slot or a hole. Fix it in the guide, clutch coil, and make it sure that the hole the guide are fitted properly, and put the lock spring to hold the clutch coil so will be locked and not moving while the engine is running. The clutch coil purpose is making magnetic force to make engage the clutch plate and disengage while the AC is on. This is the pulley. We have the second procedure to fix the clutch pulley, using by the bearings to running smoothly while the engine is running. This is a freewheeling position. The pulley purpose is to receive the clutch plate engaged while the magnetic or the clutch coil produce the magnet, and the clutch plate will going to engage the pulley, and the pulley is running by the belt, driving by the belt through the engine connection, through the engine series. So we fix it properly, the pulley. That's it, the location of the lock spring. And the next one, we will install the clutch plate. Before we install the clutch plate, we have to put the washer. This washer is very important. This making a gap from the clutch plate into the pulley, like a 1 mm gap, so the clutch plate is not engaged while the engine is running, and waiting for the magnetic force to make it engaged by the clutch pulley or the compressor pulley. The clutch plate is working by the magnetic force. That is a spring type clutch plate. You will adjust, move and out when the engine is running and the AC is on and off. That is the very simple how to assemble the compressor. Thank you very much, and I hope you learn my short tutorial how to assemble the compressor, the Montero's parts. Thank you very much.